Yes, good day everyone. Hope you are doing well. You are welcome to Hudson High School YouTube channel. So today we are going to look at information communication technology, which is ICT. So we're going to look at how can we get the average automatically and total in Microsoft Word. So what we are going to do today, we are going to get the average age. So these are our learners, the list below. These are our learners, their ages, sex, and the fees balances. So what we want to get is the average age of all these 7 learners. Then here we're going to get the total amount which is demanded, or the fees balance down here. So what we are going to first do, we are going to create another row down here where we are going to put our totals and average. So let us first find the average age of our learners at Hudson. So what we do, so when you click outside the box, like here outside the table, you can see there are some tabs which disappeared. Now when I click in the table, you can see a table tool with design and layout. So what we are going to do, we put our cursor here, then we go up here, we go to the table tools and we go to layout. So when I click layout, on your right you can see a formula. Then you click on the formula. So you see the formula which is already in the system, which is of summation. Yet for us we want the average right now. So what we are going to do, we are going to delete this. Then we leave the equal sign. Then we can come here at the paste function. So when you click the paste function, we have a list of formulas, but for us what we want right now is the average. So we're going to click on average. So in between there is a bracket. So in the bracket we are going to put above. So why are we putting above? It's because the content is above where our formula or our average is. So we're going to put here our average, meaning the content is above. So we just press OK and we get our average age, which is 17.57. So what we are going to do, we're going to bold this and maybe put some other, we change on the color such that it is visible, and let me increase also on the size. I think that is enough. So you can do that calculation on your calculator and you see that you get this answer 17.57. So that is how we get the average using Microsoft Word. So let us look at how we get the total of the fees balances of our students. So what we are going to do, we put our cursor here where we want our total for the fees balance. Now we again go back to the table tools and we click on layout. When we click on layout, we again come back here at formula. When we click formula, the formula is already here, sum. Now what we do, we just press OK. So our total fees balance for our students in this table is 2,690,000 Uganda shillings. So that is how we get the average and the total. So you can do these calculations on a calculator and you see whether you get the same result. So thank you for watching. Please let's meet again next time. Bye bye.